Audi AG is a German automotive manufacturer of luxury vehicles, headquartered in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, Germany. Audi is a subsidiary of Volkswagen. It is one of the best-selling luxury automobile manufacturers in the world. Audi was founded by August Horch in 1909 in the purpose of industrial production of luxury cars. The company's slogan is "Progress through technology." Now this company is entirely owned by Volkswagen. The Audi logo came about after a merger of four companies. In 1928, engineer Jørgen Rasmussen acquired majority shares in Audi. Soon the company merged with Rasmussen's DKW, Wanderer and Audi's old competitor Horch to form the Auto Union in 1932. The merger led to the creation of four interlocking rings.
Audi launched their first car in 1910. It was an Audi Type A sports wagon. Type B was also launched that year. Both were successes, particularly in sporting event. Horch led his team to 3 straight victories in the Austrian Alpine Run. It was in 1920 Horch left the Audi to take up the high position in the Ministry of Transport. But in short time at the manufacturer, he had made the brand internationally known. Shortly after he left, Audi became the first German car brand to produce the car was left-hand drive, the Audi Type K. This became the dominant in 1920s due to the fact it gave drivers a better view on coming traffic. This in turn made it easier and safer to overtake. In the beginning, after the merger of four companies with a new partnership in place, technology became the focal point of Audi, something that has since remained the center of the company's corporate identity. In the early days of the Auto Union era, Audi became the first European car company to offer a 6-cylinder engine front-wheel drive model. This was the Audi Front. However, it wasn't before the long that concentration turned to the German war effort. The firm began producing armored cars for the military. Of course, this made them prime targets of Allied bombing and it took its toll on. In 1986, an episode of 60 Minutes aired in the United States featuring 6 people who had sued Audi after their Audi 5000 was suffering from unaided acceleration. The unaided acceleration had been linked to the 6 deaths and 700 accidents between the year of 1982 and 1987. Interestingly, a subsequent investigation in the 60 Minutes broadcast found that they had actually engineered the failure themselves. Another investigation by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration found that a majority of the unaided acceleration cases were caused by the driver error. While there was a mild defect found in the idle stabilizer system, it caused only a minor acceleration. This in turn caused the driver to panic, which contributed to the severity of the incident. Audi's modern era has proven to be as technologically innovative as ever, starting with the 1980s turbocharged Quattro, the world's first 4-wheel drive sports coupe. The company's official name was shortened to the Audi AG, and this was the start to the shift towards the luxury market. In 1987, the Audi put forward the Audi 90, the much more elegant and superior follow-up from the Audi 80, which was developing a grandfather's car image. Sales grew strongly during the 2000s, and this continued into this decade. In full year 2020, a global Audi sales were down 8.3%. Despite weaker sales, Audi gained market share in most major markets. In China, by far the most important single country market of Audi, sales increased by 5.4% record. The fourth quarter of 2020 was the Audi's best quarter ever with over 500,000 sales worldwide. Audi AG is continuing transforming into a provider of sustainable premium mobility and claimed to be by some distant biggest market of electric vehicle. Among the 3 German premium brands, the Audi e-tron model registered a significant increase in demand last year with growth of 79.5% compared with the previous year. The Audi e-tron is the global top seller of electric vehicle made by German premium manufacturer.
Brand positioning. The Audi brand is a distinct automobile brand found within the house of brands of Volkswagen. Although Volkswagen has 10 distinct automobile brands within its house, Audi has been cleverly positioned as a premium brand reflecting the German belief Vorsprung durch Technik, which means progress through technology. Brand personality framework. Building on early studies such as the theory of symbolism and taking a cue from the Big Five model of human personality, Aker in 1997 developed the brand personality scale. This is a set of human characteristics associated with brands. The Audi brand can be said to be an upper-class brand, that's sophistication, and an imaginative brand, excitement. As an excitement brand, Audi is always thinking up imaginative ways to keep its customers entertained. For instance, it has been a part of the Salzburg Festival of Music and Performing Arts for the past 25 years. The Audi team has also been regularly participating in the Formula E race for the past 7 years. As a sophisticated upper-class brand, automobiles in the Audi series are designed and priced for the upper class. For instance, the 2020 Audi R8 V10 Decenium cost as high as $216,245. Brand Identity Prism. In 1996, marketing scholar Jean-Noel Kafer came up with what he called the Brand Identity Prism. This is a diagram that outlines the 6 elements relevant to a brand's identity. The distinct physical attribute of Audi cars is the brand logo, the 4 interlocking rings placed on all its vehicles. Relationship of Audi brand. Beyond manufacturing and selling vehicles, Audi provides other value-added services to its customers. One of such services is that which is run by Audi Interaction GmbH, which provides communication support to Audi dealers in Germany. Audi's association with other brands. Since 2003, Audi has been in sponsorship agreement with Real Madrid, and as part of this agreement, at the start of each football season, Audi gives each player and the coach of the team a new car. By doing this, Audi has established itself as the preferred choice for a winning team, and is also indirectly attracting the fans of these players. Audi also has a successful collaboration with Bayern Munich since 2002, which led to Audi financing the construction of Allianz Arena, which is the home of Bayern Munich. Beyond football, Audi has also been a part of motor racing for the past 40 years, which has successfully positioned Audi as the supplier of the sportiest premium vehicles. Away from sports, Audi shows itself as a brand with taste and beauty by collaborating with the Spaßbox Festival. Audi also has collaboration with several international universities, thereby positioning itself as the front-runner in issues of scientific research. In a study of premium automobile brands around the world, Basheen in 2019 highlighted Audi as a brand that stands out for its progress in design, technology, and engineering. However, he mentioned that the brand seemed to be lagging in other areas, and we also came across this lag in the course of this study. One key part that Audi seemed to be drawing back on is on the issue of diversification. BMW, one of Audi's major competition, in recent years diversified into low-cost cars, thereby opening its market to more customers and increasing its turnover. This is one thing that Audi has failed to do, and it has greatly limited the number of people who can join the Audi family.
The purpose of a business is to create a customer who creates another customer. Peter Drucker, in his book, The Practice of Management, declares that there is only one purpose of a business, is to create a customer. In point of fact, customer retention is crucial in the automotive sector for long-term growth. It is really important to invest in customer loyalty for cars, as it's a product most people will buy only after a couple of years. Gain customer loyalty. Audi focused on gaining customer after purchase service, satisfaction, quality, and takes care of customer feedbacks. Customer loyalty had bought Audi repeated business, great volume, cross-selling opportunities, word-of-mouth marketing, and benefit of the doubt. Audi has engaged RTC Relationship Management to serve its customers' relationship marketing agency of record. Under the new agreement with Audi, the agency will develop enhanced owner communications, programs to increase loyalty, and efforts to attract new customers to the brand Audi. RTC Relationship Management was selected by Audi partly due to Audi of America. My Audi app remains the key to the company's digitally connected world. Via the app, customers are able to access important vehicle data and digital services. Following a relaunch of the app, users now have new features to choose from. The parking and backing out process, available with selected models, can be operated via a mobile device with the Remote Parking Assistant Plus feature, without anyone being seated in the car. Anyone who no longer wishes to manually update their logbook can do it in compliance with tax regulations via the online logbook. Audi developed the app update based on customer feedback so that it is now more intuitive. The target market of Audi is the affluent class of modern urban consumers. Among Audi's consumers are highly educated, tech-savvy and modern consumers who appreciate style and quality as well as performance and rider safety. Audi makes premium cars and targets a higher-end segment of the market. In the US, young professionals are a key demographic for Audi. In 2014, Audi's US CEO Scott Kinnock told Forbes that 50% of their sales went to Gen X and Gen Y age customers. He says the decidedly younger demographic is a great thing for the company, especially now that more millennials are walking their way into the luxury auto market. Audi unveiled its new strategy by launching a global brand campaign, Future is an Attitude. Henrik Wonder, Senior Vice President, Audi brand, by retouching our brand strategy, we are giving Wolfsbach a contemporary meaning. We are making ourselves fit for the future. In the new strategy, where sustainability, digitalization and design continue to be the main themes, the importance given to the transition to sustainable and digital premium mobility is underlined with the new slogan, Future is an Attitude. It means recognizing the potential in every situation, seeing possibilities where others perceive impossibilities, and inspiration where there are obstacles, knowing that what we create today won't just lead to better cars, but to a better tomorrow. For Audi, Future is an Attitude. Audi releases new campaign with the Monkeys. Audi Australia has launched a multi-channel marketing campaign to herald the arrival of the largest high-performance vehicle lineup in the brand's history. Produced in collaboration with the Monkeys, part of Accenture Interactive, the campaign draws on Audi's motorsport heritage and is centered around a simple truth. Every contemporary Audi R and RS model is a part of family, but not just any family, a family of all concurring race cars that has dominated racetracks all around the world for generations. Audi UK uses Twitter to drive awareness of its ownership program. The Audi UK strategy had two phases. First, it wanted to start a conversation with customers about its ownership program with a view of driving traffic to the Audi Center website. This element focused on reminding owners Audi UK service offering has a human touch. Contrasting with non-branded service centers, it focused on how Audi has highly trained technicians who are passionate about what they do. Retargeting with a more detailed message, it then highlighted the expertise of the team with some need-to-know facts. This post focused on particular components such as engine, wheels, diagnostic, with links through to the new owner section of audi.co.uk for further information. Audi used sports, superheroes and Twitter to launch its fully electronic SUV. To launch the e-tron SUV, Audi's first ever fully electric model, the automaker needed a marketing plan that was as exciting and innovative as its new vehicle. In collaboration with media agency PhD, Audi worked with Twitter to craft a marketing campaign unique to its needs. Not only did Audi and PhD wanted to go big and invite the US public inside the relaunch event, they also wanted to keep consumers talking about the e-tron SUV and reinforce Audi's messaging by connecting with the biggest sports and pop culture events of the year. Starting in 2018, Audi unleashed multiple campaigns using a half-dozen Twitter products to generate excitement around the e-tron SUV. Audi's multi-pronged strategy deployed different tools at each stage. To teach that something big was coming to the market, Audi kicked off the campaigns using a promoted tweet featuring high-impact video teasing and upcoming live stream where consumers could find out more. But Audi did not stop there. To further build brand relevance, Audi used Twitter to associate the e-tron SUV to one of the most anticipated movies in the film history, Avengers Endgame. The automaker sponsored and integrated into Marvel Live exclusively on Twitter. It also sponsored the movie's red carpet premiere and used promoted video featuring Avengers Endgame content. Together, Audi joined the Avengers Endgame conversation on Twitter during moments that mattered to its customers. The launch was a huge success, with the live stream debut event receiving over 1.8 million views. During the big game, Audi won the auto category for Twitter's Brand Bowl, netting the highest number of video views on Twitter during the event among all auto manufacturers with the spot. As Audi connected to what's happening and sustained conversation through its football and movie sponsorships, the company outperformed Twitter US auto category benchmarks, including those for pre-roll video views, engagement rate, and cost per view. The mission statement of the Audi Group is generally focused on customer delight and specifically focused on innovation, positive experiences, and corporate responsibility. The mission statement for the Audi Group is general and simple: we delight customers' delight. The Audi Group further defines what customer delight means with these 4 actions. We define innovation, we create experiences, we live responsibility, we shape Audi.
Audi competitors include BMW Group, Tesla Motors, Honda, and Lexus. Audi ranks first in employee net promoter scores on comparably versus competitors. See below how Audi compares to its competitors with CEO rankings, products and services, NPS pricing, customer services or score, ANPS, gender and diversity score. When we talk about a car's interior, the Audi excels in comparison to BMW. Audi's sleek designs and race design steering wheel come together to give you both exciting and luxurious drive. Audi Quattro all-wheel drive system has rapidly developed is now known for its power and reliability. Both brands have invested heavily in high-performance engineering. Secondly, if we compare Audi with Mercedes-Benz and solid roots and aggressive progressive motive, which has been carried by Mercedes-Benz, but the Audi understand model demand in a way that defeat the competition with. When it comes to performance, the Audi is the clear winner. In the lead is the Audi R8 with 532 horsepower. In this 2-seat supercar comes standard with Audi's vulnerable quattro all-wheel drive. If you are looking for advanced performance, Audi near All'Armo SE. Audi offers a version of several of their cars with powerful engine and upgraded suspension. Some of these include the Audi TT RS, RS3 and RS5. Audi versus Lexus. When it comes to luxury small cars, Audi is the clear winner. In the luxury small car class, the Lexus ILS competes directly with the Audi A3, A4 and A5. This is because the Audi gives you more rear space and more refined interior and a solid combination of technology and comfort features. This also goes for luxury mid-size cars. Audi also has put the time into ensuring its CVs in comparison to Lexus don't lack powerful performance and agile handling. When it comes to cargo space, price in vehicles like the Audi Q5 versus the Lexus RS, the Audi, although shorter, still offers more space as well as a lower price tag. The Audi Q5 offers 60.4 cubic feet of space, while the longer RX only offers 56.3 cubic feet of space. Both Audi and Lexus value interior design quality, but when looking at the two, the Audi shows off a more elegant and refined design. About Audi and Mercedes POPs and PODs. These 2 points really applies into our 2 premium car brands. In fact, to fit in this premium car industry, you have to share some elements with the competitors. On the one hand, Mercedes embodies characteristics such as precision, exceptionalization. These two are well transcribed in the Mercedes advertising slogan, "The best or nothing." Moreover, Mercedes is also recognized for its design and its typical radiator grills with the brand logo on the top. Besides, when Mercedes wants to change the design of the radiator, the design team choose to keep the traditional design with the famous overhanging star badge for the classic C elegance model. Audi also wanted to be more sportive than its competitors by buying Lamborghini in 1998 and by commercializing its first supercar in 2007, which is the Audi R8.
The topmost luxury automobile manufacturer in the world, Audi is much as known for its car as it for sophisticated luxury. Audi is known for the engineering and precision behind their car, and that is exactly what they market. The brand is a promise, and Audi definitely carries the trust factor behind it. It's known as one of the most safe car in the world. For an automobile manufacturer, the products are the key driving element for the success or failure of the company. This is where Audi is at its best. Audi has varying series of car models, all from premium to super premium to ultra premium. BMW diversified itself into low-cost cars and has kept a larger product portfolio because it wants to increase its turnover. Same strategy has not been followed by Audi, because of which BMW has taken the front seat in the luxury car segment, leaving Audi lagging behind. The message of Audi advertisement always is the bullseye. However, Audi needs to pick up the frequency of promotion as well. You will see Audi promoting even less than BMW and Tesla, which is a mistake. The market is limited and the share of the pie is going to other premium brands as well. Younger generation spending more on gadgets and realizing the value of saving on other products. Audi can survive with its home territory. It has to spread internationally. The press risk across the country is high, which take a lot of time to the brand to manage. Like any industry, competition is high even in the luxury car manufacturers segment, the competition being strongest from BMW, Tesla and etc. Overall, even though the going is good for Audi, the future is grim with the opportunities to expand being limited in mature market, and at the same time rising competition from Mercedes and BMW, Tesla as well as other premium cars. However, Audi being Audi, we are sure that the company will thrive in the long run and make the necessary strategy changes to expand further and become more profitable.